Now I want to show you how to build the sequence. Remember, the sequence is the third part of the program. So you click on sequence. We're going to create a new. And I'm going to do a Google image. And I'm going to search for peanut butter sandwich. This one works. And I'm going to call it how to make sandwich. Okay. Now I'm going to click and drag our cards into our sequence box down here. So I'm going to start with my first transition word and move it down.
First.
Then my first task.
Gather materials.
Now if I want to make the box a little bit bigger so that everything fits, I just click and hold down and then make it bigger.
Next. Last.
And then our final piece.
Eat and enjoy.
Let's see what it sounds like.
First, gather materials. Next.
This is how you make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. You take your 2 slices of bread, put them next to each other, open up your jars of peanut butter and jelly. Scoop out your peanut butter and spread it evenly onto the bread. Then you take the same with the jelly, spread it evenly on the other slice of bread. Then I'm going to close up my jars, put my 2 slices of bread together, and I have my sandwich.
Last.
Remember to put the cutting board and knife in the sink and the jars of peanut butter and jelly in the cupboard.
Eat and enjoy.
I want to call your attention to how you can change the settings within the sequence option. First, which is changing the action. So let's say, going back to gathering materials, I want to remind him exactly of what he wants. So I'm going to go back and make this more explicit. That's changing card action. I'm going to tell him exactly what I want, so it's going to be audio, record, find a knife, a cutting board, 2 slices of bread, and the jars of peanut butter and jelly.
Find a knife, a cutting board, 2 slices of bread, and the jars of peanut butter and jelly.
Great. Now it should be changed.
Find a knife, a cutting board, 2 slices of bread, and the jars of peanut butter and jelly.
Next.
This is how you make a peanut butter.
Last.
In this how-to video, we want the student to be able to learn how to do it, but it moves rather quickly. So we want to add in an auto delay feature. So what you do is you click on your card and move it over to your tools. And you can see it here, change autoplay delay. It goes in seconds. So let's say we want to have a 5-second delay. We type in 5. Now you can see when we play it.
First.
Find a knife, a cutting board, 2 slices of bread, and the jars of peanut butter and jelly.
And you can see how it's now waiting for those 5 seconds.
Next.
In this tutorial, we showed you how to use TouchCom to create cards with action, how to create a sequence, and how to change the settings within that sequence. And we do hope that you found it helpful.